Greetings from the next road trip. Get a unique behind-the-scenes look at the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, a mobile masterpiece that redefines luxury and adventure. Chevrolet's most recent motorhome, which combines an aerodynamic design with a striking, modern exterior and vintage Chevy comforts, is a great example of the company's ongoing emphasis on innovation and durability. Its massive V8 engine is concealed by its elegant exterior. It might be a 6.6L Duramax Turbo-Diesel V8 with 470 horsepower, 350 kilowatts, and 1,322 Newton-meters, 975 lb-ft of torque, or a gasoline-powered V8 with 401 horsepower, 299 kilowatts, and 629 Newton-meters, 464 lb-ft. These engines, together with a quick 10-speed automatic gearbox, provide you the power and efficiency to handle any road trip, whether you're traveling down the highway or up the mountains. A contemporary, ergonomic dashboard that maximizes comfort and control greets you as soon as you walk in. Among the main selling points are a large, maybe 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, a top-notch sound system, and easy navigation. Behind it, a fully digital instrument cluster displays all of the important driving data. High-quality materials and easily accessible tactile controls give every part, including the upholstery and trim, a luxurious experience when traveling. The inside of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is intended to be a roomy, multi-purpose living area. The living area, kitchen, and bedroom can all be combined thanks to the open-plan layout. Every nook and cranny is decorated with high-end materials including leather seats, hardwood flooring, and sophisticated metal or carbon fiber accents. When parked, a motorized slide-out feature gives you unexpected room by expanding the living area. The ambient LED lighting may be adjusted to continually create the ideal ambience, in addition to the enormous panoramic windows that provide breathtaking views in every direction. The master bedroom provides a peaceful haven after a long day of travel. Its luxurious mattress and cozy queen or king-size bed provide a good night's sleep. There may be lots of storage space in a large closet with sliding or folding doors, and bedside tables may include Wi-Fi and USB charging outlets. A personal entertainment system that includes a flat-screen TV and a cozy reading light enhances your leisure time. This 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's bathroom was intended to be both fashionable and practical. A glass door makes it easy to move about, and there is a full-size shower with a rainforest showerhead and sufficient water pressure. Luxurious facilities include a ceramic toilet with a strong flush mechanism, a huge mirror with built-in lighting, and a sophisticated sink with a high-end faucet. Innovative cabinet storage and easily cleaned, moisture-resistant materials provide functionality without compromising style. Prepare to cook delicious dishes in this well-thought-out kitchen. A house-sized refrigerator and freezer, a microwave and convection oven, a multi-burner gas or induction cooktop, and a large double sink are some of its opulent stainless steel amenities. Sturdy, solid-surface worktops are fashionable in addition to being practical. All of your kitchenware is kept tidy and organized thanks to the upper cabinet's ample storage space and soft-close bottom drawers. Enjoying the trip is more important than getting where you're going when driving a 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome. The goal of this mobile house is to have as many experiences as possible. Are you prepared to go on your next adventure?